Hello guys, this is the question asked in IIT Madras Texas Instrument sponsored program. Here they have asked to find out the voltage gain of this transistor. Now before finding out the gain, I want to tell you something how to find out the impedance of any transistor. Suppose this MOSFET is given when here gate and drain is shorted, source is grounded, and they ask to find out the impedance from the drain terminal. Then the impedance will be directly, we can write Z0 equals to 1 by Gm. We can draw the small signal configuration of this transistor. This is the gate source, this is the VGS. Here drain and gate is sorted, and they are, if we, for finding out the impedance, first we have to deactivate all the independent sources, and where from we want to find out, there we will apply one test voltage source and we will apply one test current. From here we can directly say Ix equal to Gm VGS, because there is no path where Ix can go, so Ix will be directly Gm VGX, and VGS also Vx. So from there we can write Vx by Ix equal to 1 by Gm. In the same way, if any transistor, suppose gate is shorted, drain is shorted, and they ask to find out the impedance from this terminal, source terminal, then also we can write Z0 equals to 1 by Gm. Another concept is, if two resistor is given R1 and both are in parallel, R1 parallel R2, then from this we can directly write whichever the smallest transistor, that will be the equivalent resistance. If here I am considering R1 is very less than R2, so we will apply these three concepts here in this question. Also one more thing is there, if any MOSFET is given here, small signal Vi is applied and any external circuit is present, so the current through this MOSFET will be Gm into Vi. This is the small signal current or incremental current. Now we will apply this concept in this question. First, here consider this M4 transistor. Here gate is, when incremental voltage applied, gate is sorted and also source is grounded. Gate is grounded and source is also grounded. No channel length modulation, so RDS is not there. So this transistor will be open circuit only, as gate is sorted, so Gm VGS also so 0. So this transistor can be replaced by the open circuit. Now for this, consider other transistor. This is the Vi. Here small signal applied, source is grounded. Now external circuit is present, so this Gm Vi current will Gm naught into Vi current will flow this transistor. And now this M0 and M2 are in series, so same Gm naught Vi current will flow through this M2 transistor. As this Gm naught Vi, like M4 is open circuit, so and these M3 and M2 are in series, so this Gm naught Vi in this direction will flow in this direction, and also this Gm naught Vi will flow this M1 transistor also. Now consider this M1 transistor. M1 transistor, if we consider one external circuit is present, and this is a drain and gate sorted, so here we can replace directly this M1 with one transistor value 1 by Gm1. Here VG0 they asked to find out, and this Gm naught Vi is flowing through this M1 transistor. So from this, if as 1 by Gm1 value is very less, and if we find out this impedance, this will be something RDS will come, but this RDS value is very high compared to 1 by Gm. So equivalent impedance from this terminal we can write Z0 equal to RDS parallel 1 by Gm1, or as 1 by Gm1 value is very less, so 1 by Gm1 will be the equivalent impedance. So output voltage will be V0 equal to 1 by Gm1 into this current minus Gm0 into Vi. and as it is given that M4 is biased and M0 to M3 biased with 5 milliampere current, as same current flows through all the transistor, so GM0 and GM1 value will be same also. So V0 equals to minus Vi or V0 by Vi equal to minus 1. So the gain will be the answer will be minus 1 only. Thank you.